I am Gandhi. My life is my message. In gentle way, you can take the world. Jai Hind. Thank you. I am Harshit, grade 2B. I am going to talk about Bhagat Singh was freedom fighter of India. He was born on 28 September in Punjab. He fought bravely against the British rule. Jai Hind. Happy morning everyone. I am Ridhanya from grade 2B. I am talking about Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was born on November 19, 1917, Allahabad, India. She was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. She also called Iron Lady. She is strong, brave and kind leader. She is awarded Bharat Ratna. Thank you. Jai Hind. I am Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy. I was a doctor and the first woman of legislature in India. I work to help women and children get education, health and respect. For a citizen of India, give respect everyone, especially women and girls. Make India strong. Vande Mataram. I am Velu Nachya. I am the first queen to fight for freedom from the British in India. I was born in 1713 in a beautiful land of Sivagangai. I was trained in martial arts, horse riding, archery and swordsmanship. I am a great role model of all women. Thank you. I am APJ Abdul Kalam. I love children. I am Indian scientist. I am J. Jayalalitha. I save the people of Tamil Nadu. I care for women, children and the poor.